You guys, what is up? Raph here, back with another video, and today guys, I am actually going to be doing Play Wild right now. So excited for this because, well, I'm just really excited for this, but I believe that you can, like, already sign in with your account, so I'm just gonna pause it so no one can see my password. Other version, like, I'm so glad that I'm actually playing this. Sorry if my recorder just went a bit weird there, but yeah, if I just repeated myself, I'm so very sorry. If not, then yeah, but it's taking forever to load. Probably because I just downloaded it, but then yeah, but this fact down here is very fascinating. The blue whale's call is louder than a jet engine. Wow. So like, if you like, I really don't know anyone, guys, but this is taking forever to load. Actually pretty annoying, so gonna have to wait for it. I don't know how long, but it's really getting on my nerves. I'll just pause the video and then wait till we're done. Whoops, finished loading. Okay, so guys, so we are officially in my den. Pretty cool. Like, I already started Play Wild, like I was gonna do it yesterday, but then I kind of forgot, so I guess here it is. Aesthetic. I guess, like, wait, let me get my penguin. Here we go. Oh, I didn't want to go on that. But yeah, so we're swimming in a bath of chocolate. And my penguin is walking on the chocolate. Okay, there we go. But now it's brown as a sugarcane. So yeah, this is pretty much mid-den. I have got, like, quite a bit. Okay, stop moving. Right, I have got quite a bit of gems. I've got 40 sapphires and 4,000 gems. So guess that's pretty cool. Don't really know about you guys, but I did get 500 sapphires when when I first joined, but I spent all of them because I'm a spender, not a saver. I'm a spender. It's like when I see something I really like, I don't want to save for it. Like, I don't want to wait. I just want to get it. If you guys, are you one of those persons, let me know, because I will definitely be uploading more Play Wild content. Sorry about the lagginess though. I guess the lagginess is pretty real here. I mean, lagginess is real in all cultures because, well, why wouldn't it be? But yeah, the Players to Pet Party is pretty cool. Let's go on this slide. See what if we can even go in there. I'm really need to play Wild, guys. I think the last time I played Play Wild was like 1 billion trillion years ago. Okay, I'm just gonna go back to my den because it's getting pretty laggy. And we stop. Yeah, it's getting pretty laggy. And whatever is happening, it's completely lagging at my laptop. Jack flies to see in all directions at once. Guys, these are like my animals. Like, I did log on a few days ago, so I haven't been doing absolutely nothing with this game, but I have not been logging on as daily as like I used to. It's like, and I will upload a Plants vs Zombies 2 episode. Well, I'm going to showcase Plants vs Zombies 2. It's about time. Only because the first one keeps on lagging and I can't really play it. So, I am going to be keeping you posted on that. But yeah, I just really hope you guys will enjoy my Play Wild series. So, Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.